Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to solve Samsung phone shows lightning bolt but not charging issue. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Samsung phone shows lightning bolt but not charging problem with 6 best fixes. Solution 1. Replace the charging cable. A faulty or damaged charging cable can cause your Samsung phone to not charge. Over time, charging cables can break and stop working. Get a new charging cable and try to charge your Samsung phone using that. Solution 2. Reboot your Samsung phone. The next solution you can try is rebooting your Samsung phone. Restarting your phone shuts down all the background processes and may help fix the problem. To do this, pressing the power button and volume down button simultaneously for more than 7 seconds. This may restart the device and get the screen to a normal state again. Solution 3. Clean the charging port. Dust and debris can gather in the charging port, and that can be another reason your Samsung phone to show lightning bolt, but not charge. Dust buildup is pretty common, and to prevent it from being a huddle for you in charging your phone, it is best to keep the charging port clean, using a toothpick or with a similar size object. Solution 4. Update your Samsung phone. Updating your phone to the latest software version can often fix Samsung phones that show lightning bolts but do not charge. To update the software of your phone, open the Settings app. Select About Phone. Tap on Software Update. Your phone will check for available updates. If an update is available, tap on Install to begin the update process. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the update. Once the update is complete, your phone will restart if necessary. Solution 5. Factory reset your Samsung device. Factory reset is often effective in fixing software-related or display problems. If the main reason for this issue is due to a glitch in the software, and not hardware, factory reset will most likely help in this regard. But, before you begin, it is recommended to create a backup. For this, open the settings on your Samsung phone. Go to the General Management. Click on the Backup and Reset. At this time, tap on the Erase All Data option. Finally, click on the Delete All Data button. After doing this, restart your phone. Now, check if the Samsung phone shows lightning bolt but not charging issue is resolved. Solution 6. Use Android Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve Samsung related problems, then there is no better option than using the Android Repair Tool. Besides this issue, it can fix other Android system errors and issues easily. To try this software, click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about fixing Samsung phone shows lightning bolt but not charging issue. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with others and also subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.